Replacing your windows is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can take on. It enhances your home's comfort, boosts energy efficiency, and adds value to your property. However, for homeowners in Worcester, where the climate can swing from snowy winters to humid summers, proper preparation is essential to ensure a smooth and successful window replacement. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get your home ready and make the process hassle-free. Confirm details with your window contractor. Before the installation day arrives, communicate with your Worcester window replacement contractor to confirm all the important details, dates, times, materials, and the scope of work. Ask about the estimated duration of the project, whether it's a full frame or pocket replacement, and how many installers will be present. Clear communication helps set expectations and prevents surprises, ensuring a stress-free experience. It's also wise to ask your contractor about weather contingencies, especially during Worcester's unpredictable seasons. Rain or snow can delay installation, so a flexible schedule will help avoid unnecessary disruptions. Clear the work area. Inside and outside installers need easy access to your windows to work efficiently and safely. Move furniture, decorations, and curtains away from all windows being replaced. Keep at least 3 feet of open space around each area. Remove blinds, drapes, and any hardware attached to the window frame. Outside, trim nearby shrubs, vines, or branches that might block the work area. If you have outdoor furniture, planters, or grills near windows, relocate them temporarily. This preparation helps prevent accidental damage and allows your installers to work quickly and safely. Protect your floors and belongings. Window replacement can create dust and debris. Before the crew arrives, lay down drop cloths or old sheets along pathways and near work zones to protect your floors. If your contractor provides coverings, confirm whether they'll handle cleanup afterward. In older Worcester homes, dust can include small paint or plaster particles, especially in pre-1978 homes that may have lead-based paint. Ask your contractor about dust control and safety practices to keep your home clean and your family safe. Secure pets and young children. Installation crews will be entering and exiting your home frequently, and open window spaces can be hazardous. To ensure everyone's safety, make arrangements to keep pets and children in a separate room or at a neighbor's home during the work. This prevents distractions for the installers and avoids accidental injuries or escapes. If your pet is sensitive to loud noises, this step will also help reduce their stress during the installation process. Plan for temporary temperature changes when replacing several windows at once. Parts of your home may be briefly exposed to outdoor air. In Worcester's colder months, that can mean chilly indoor temperatures. Consider closing doors to unused rooms and running space heaters safely in occupied areas. In summer, close blinds in non-work areas and use fans to maintain comfort. Your contractor may be able to schedule the work in sections to minimize temperature fluctuations throughout the day. Do a final walkthrough before and after installation. Before installation begins, walk through your home with the lead installer to review which windows will be replaced and confirm any special requests. This ensures everyone is on the same page. After the project is complete, inspect each new window for smooth operation, tight seals, and proper caulking. Make sure locks, screens, and trim are securely fitted. If you notice any issues, bring them up right away. Reputable Worcester window contractors will be happy to address them promptly. Enjoy your new windows. Once the work is done and the cleanup complete, take a moment to appreciate the difference your new windows make. You'll notice quieter interiors, improved insulation, and better curb appeal. Keep your warranty documents and maintenance instructions in a safe place for future reference. Final thoughts: preparing your home ahead of time makes all the difference in achieving a smooth and successful window replacement in Worcester. By organizing your space, protecting your belongings, and communicating clearly with your contractor, you'll ensure a safe, efficient, and rewarding installation experience. With your new energy-efficient windows, your home will be more comfortable and better suited to Worcester's changing seasons for years to come.